Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to quickly analyze last week, starting from 4th of March, which is Monday, to Friday, 8th of March, using the GBPUSD killer strategy that I taught you. Okay, so we want to see how the strategy performed last week. All right, so I'm doing this just to prove to you that the strategy I'm teaching you actually works. I don't teach you nonsense. If you get to be a part of this my particular channel, definitely you would get the best of strategies. Okay, so for those that understand the GBPUSD killer strategy that I taught, you will be able to follow me easily. But those of you that are watching for the first time, you can check my Forex strategy playlists. You will definitely find this GBPUSD killer strategy, okay, where I'm explaining it for the first time. Just go through it until you find it, okay, or you can even follow through, because I'm going to explain it since I'm analyzing. So for this strategy, we don't trade on Monday. Those of you that have been following, you already know we don't trade on Monday, but we start marking up our charts on Monday. So I've already marked out, this is the 4th of March, which is Monday, this Monday that just passed. So I've already marked out the lowest points, you know, with this horizontal line right here. That's the lowest point price got to. Then I also mark out the highest points price got to. Okay, then we just chill and wait for Tuesday. So I'm moving on to Tuesday to see whether the top part is going to get taken out or the lower part. So the top part got taken out, and as you know, based on the strategy, you are not entering immediately. We'll wait for a candle to come back and pierce that level that was broken. Okay, when I say pierce, it means the candle has to not just retest or touch, it has to come in a bit. So that's the candle we will now use to set our trade. So let me zoom in a bit to see the candle clearly. Okay, as you can see, this is the candle that pierced that level, this particular candle right here. The second one also pierced it, so you can use it. It depends on what you want to do. So I would prefer to just go with this one since it's the first one that pierced it. Okay, that's candle right here. So what do you do with that candle that pierced it? What you do is very simple. A few pips, let's say 1 pip above that candle, you place a buy stop order. Okay, so your buy stop order is going to be somewhere here. Where will you put your stop loss? Your stop loss will be at the swing low. So your stop loss could be somewhere around here, a few pips below that swing low. Okay, that's where your stop loss is going to be. So let's see how it played out. Let me quickly double this, and I want to turn this to a red line so that I'll place it as my entry. So it will be clear to you where my entry would have been. So my entry would have been somewhere here. Okay, this is how my entry would have been, so that it will be clear to you. You see, I placed it a few pips below that candle that pierced the level. Okay, so that's where my entry will be. Let's see how it played out. The trade did not activate that day. Okay, so it's carried on to the next day. All right, so if I left it without a closing the pending order, it would have been activated the next day. Okay, and guess what happened? We had upward movements, and our stop loss, which is definitely below this side, was not triggered at all. Okay, so we had a profitable trade which we would have closed in profits. Okay, hope it makes sense. So this is taking place on Wednesday. All right, so the next thing you could do, okay, this Tuesday, while you are waiting for the trade you set here to get activated, you know, there are 2 options. You can decide to close it since it was not activated on Tuesday. Okay, that's what I would have even done. I might have closed it, you know, since it was not activated on Tuesday. But assuming you left it there, to show you the power of this strategy, assuming you left the trade just as I have shown you, it would have gotten activated the following day, which is Wednesday, and it would still make you profits. But let's say you decided to close it down since it did not activate on that day. Definitely the next thing you would have done is to mark out the high and low of Tuesday. Okay, so let me quickly do that. Let me take away this red line. Let me move it up. I want to move this red line up so it doesn't confuse us. Okay, so let me reduce this. So this is Monday and this is Tuesday. So the high of Tuesday is right here. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so this is the high of Tuesday, the highest point Tuesday got to. Remember, we don't use the week, we use the body. So I've placed an horizontal line on the highest level price got to on Tuesday. So where's the lowest level price got to on Tuesday? I think it's right here. Let me zoom out so I can see it clearly. Yes, I'm correct. So this is the lowest point price got to on Tuesday. This is the lowest point price got to on Tuesday, and this is the highest point price got to on Tuesday. These vertical lines are representing Tuesday. So I want to shift to Wednesday to see what will happen. The top parts got taken out on Wednesday. Okay, so let me zoom in to see the candle that is going to pierce that top level again. Let me zoom in. Okay, so I've seen the candle that pierced the top level. I've seen it. Is this candle right here. This candle right here. Okay, that's the candle that pierced the top level again. So I'm going to place a buy stop order. Okay, that candle. So I'm going to place a buy stop order just above that candle. So let me use this red line as where I'll place my buy stop order. So I'll place a buy stop order somewhere around here. Okay, I'll place my buy stop order somewhere around here. Where will your stop loss be? Below the swing low. So this swing low, below it, that's where I'll place my stop loss, and I'm hoping for this to get triggered in order for me to move in the upwards direction. So let's move over to see what happened on Wednesday. So you can see on Wednesday, early in the morning on Wednesday, you would have gotten into the trade here. Price then came down but did not hit your stop loss since it will be below this swing low. You understand? So this is where price got to, you know, that's the drawdown you would have had, but this is the swing low where you place your stop loss, so you wouldn't have been tagged out. And guess what happened? We had upward movements from there back to our entry. Let's see if it's gonna move up from there. Nice. So hope you can see what's going on. Upwards movement, you would have made a whole lot of money with this strategy. Okay, so basically that's how it works. Let me see if I can analyze for Wednesday. The video is already getting long. Let me move this up. I don't like my videos to be too long. Okay, so here's the lowest point for Wednesday. This is the lowest point for Wednesday. Highest point for Wednesday is going to be somewhere around here. Oh, this is the lowest point for Wednesday, sorry. Somewhere here. Calm down. Okay, so this is the lowest point for Wednesday, right here. And the highest points for Wednesday, let's see. Okay, highest point for Wednesday is right here. Let me zoom in. That's the highest point for Wednesday. Let me be sure it's Wednesday, so let me go back and count. Okay, this is Monday. This is Tuesday. Oh, what I was marking is Tuesday. So this is lowest point for Wednesday, and this is the highest point for Wednesday, right here. This is the highest point for Wednesday. Okay, so let's see what happened on Thursday. On Thursday, the top parts got mitigated. Okay, so the top part got mitigated. This is the candle that came back to pierce. This candle is the one that came back to pierce it. So I would have placed a buy stop order. What's wrong with this red line? I would have placed a buy stop order just a few pips above it, like this. Definitely, where will your stop loss be? Your stop loss is going to be at the swing low, right here. Okay, a few pips below that swing low. And what happened? Your trade got activated right here, and guess what? Upwards move. So this is a very, very, powerful strategy. If you are getting any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. I don't know if I should analyze Friday. The video is already very, very long, so I think that will be about all. Well, let me quickly do Friday. So to analyze Friday, I'll quickly mark out the high and low of Thursday. Okay, this is the lower part of Thursday, somewhere here. Quickly, the high part of Thursday, highest part of Thursday is somewhere around here. Okay, so let's see what happened on Friday. Let me zoom in. Okay, so sorry, This is the highest parts of Thursday. I think it's somewhere around here. So early morning on Friday, the top part got mitigated. Okay, top part got mitigated around here with that candle. So we wait to see the price, the candle that will come and pierce that level again, and that's this candle. So I'll place my pending order somewhere around here. Okay, so let's see what happened. It would have gotten activated here and price moved in the upwards direction. Okay, hope you can see that. So we would have been profitable throughout the week with this strategy. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.